If you guys want to see how I feel about bite meals and if you should spend your own coin on it, just keep watching. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be all about bite meals. Now, if you're on Instagram, then I'm sure you're gonna know what Bite Meals is. It's Katie Hearn's meal prep company, along with her husband. I've been seeing it all over, and if you know anything about me, I live for Sundays, which is meal prep day, but I wanted to give this service a try. And the main reason why I wanted to is after seeing Bite Meals all over the place, what I loved about them is that the ingredients they use in their food is basic. Like, you can pronounce everything, there's no crazy additives, it's just basic food prepped well. So, first things first, the website is super easy to understand. Anyone can use it. They give you breakfast options, lunch and dinner options, and snacks. So, I have my little paper over here. Basically, I ordered, let's see. I ordered the 4 cookie pack, chicken Alfredo, the chicken bite bowl, chocolate chip peanut butter pancakes and turkey sausage, the Denver hash bowl, steak Demi, Yukon mashed potatoes, and asparagus. And I did use a coupon code. There's a bunch out there, like I guess they sponsor athletes. I used Nikki Blackadder's coupon code. And before that, it was $48.50 for the food I just mentioned. Then, with Nikki's code, it was $1.54 off. Shipping was $15. So I spent $61.95. And I mean, it's super pricey, but if you're someone that doesn't want to prep anything and hates grocery shopping, this probably is the way to go. Let's just start talking about a few items. And I have a list on my phone, like everything I like when I ate them. But I just wanted to quickly show you, this is like the packaging, without the food, obviously I already ate it. But this is the packaging. It's super cute, super basic and simple, which I love. And on the back, as you can see, it has all like the macros, the ingredients, the instructions to heat everything up. This is, okay, yeah, it's right side up. Has the instructions to heat everything up. So I love this. Like, this packaging is what I live for. And I will say, when you get it, I'll leave some clips below when I first got the box, when I opened it. Everything was in a cardboard box, and it is insulated, and it has like those really, really big ice packs, so everything stayed super fresh. I will say though, that my cookie container was all cracked, which was kind of disappointing, but I know that obviously with like shipping and a bunch of people handling it, that's probably what happened, because there's like plastic containers. That's fine. So, the first thing I tried, I was at work and I had the chicken Alfredo. I have to tell you, it was like the perfect amount of pasta, the right amount of sauce. The chicken though was just like shredded, almost like mashed chicken. The flavor was eh. But the chicken and the pasta are separate, so when you heat it up, you just mix in everything, you know, stir it up, and then add the chicken. I added the chicken to the pasta, I didn't have it separate. So it was actually very good. It just kind of was just something you can really make at home. Then I had the chicken bite bowl. Now, I was looking forward to this bite bowl forever because I kept seeing it all over Instagram, and I was like, oh my God, I can't wait to have this. I did not like it. Like, when I took it out of the package, I was like, what is this? But I followed the instructions. I heated it up to the time it says to, and the beans were so like almost dried out looking. Like, they just looked like no. So maybe a little less time in the microwave would have been better. The fat-free sour cream it came with was really good. But overall, I was really excited for it, and it just like did not meet the expectation of excitement I had. Then I had the Denver hash bowl. Oh my God, guys. If you get nothing from this, the Denver hash bowl is something you need to have in your life. Now, it came with ham, and I didn't even really read when I bought it, I was like, oh, whatever. I don't really like ham, but if I'm gonna have ham, it's gonna be in the Denver hash bowl because it was delicious. The potatoes were a 10 out of 10 for me. They were seasoned perfectly. They were so good. Eggs, everything was just amazing. So I'm giving that a big 10 out of 10. Just get it, get your hands on it. Now, I also had the steak Demi Yukon mashed potatoes and asparagus. I normally eat my steak medium rare. This was more well done. So it was still good. It smells really good. Like after you heat it up in the microwave, you just want to eat it right away. The potatoes weren't mashed potatoes. I don't know why it says that on the packaging. They were the same potatoes as the Denver hash. So whatever, that's fine. And I guess like the condensation from when you heat it up kind of gives it like a little bit of gravy. So that was really good. Asparagus was great. That was also really good, 10 out of 10. Would have definitely ordered again. And then something I really didn't like was the chocolate chip peanut butter pancakes. I did not like them at all. The syrup was just so sweet. Like when like something, you get, it's like 0 calories and then it tastes like it's 0 calories because it has that like overly done taste of artificial sweetener. Like you're just like, oh my God, gross. Then the pancakes were like they just weren't something that I liked. Turkey sausage was really good though. So if anything, the turkey sausage was bomb. Now on to the cookies. So the chocolate chip cookie was amazing. It was nice and soft. It wasn't like hard or anything like that. That was perfect. The gooey blondie thing. Take a moment of silence to appreciate how amazing it was. I had that and then I had like a tiny bit of Breyer's ice cream on the side. But my suggestion for you guys is to heat up the gooey blondie. Like heat it up in the microwave, have a little bit of ice cream. Girl, my new favorite. The Bite 5 cookie tasted like a health food cookie. You know what I mean? It had like that taste, like, no thank you. And the spicy snickerdoodle, spicy's not my thing. Snickerdoodle is really not my thing, but I wanted to try it and it was a no-go for me. So overall, I thought that the food was pretty good. There were things like I really didn't like, and there were things that I loved. I don't know if I'll order from them again. Like I said, like the Denver hash, oh my God, if I could just get that delivered to me just for breakfast, I would be so happy. But it's probably something I can make at home. Sorry guys. But I do think that if you live a busy lifestyle, if you don't really have the time to meal prep, this is the way to go. This company I think is awesome. Shipping wasn't terrible. You pick out your own date when you need to come and it gets here at that date. Like I said in the beginning, that everything they put in your food is labeled on the outside and it's nothing crazy. It's everything I can pronounce besides the cookies. You'll see the cookies are, got a lot of stuff in them, but still very good. Overall, I think Bite Meals was a good investment. Like I said, I don't think I'll be ordering from them again, but I think you guys should definitely give it a try. Let me know down below if you give it a try. I hope you like this video. Don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I have a lot more stuff coming, and until next time, guys.